Hello everybody, today we're starting stretching with me. So we're starting from right leg. We slowly open it and after slowly go down. And our back is strong. So 1, 2 and 3 and we will stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After we take leg here. And another hand, we push our body and still. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Let's change leg on that. So let's try 1, slowly down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, and 5, and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where we take here. Another hand, push our body and still stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Let's stay here and push our leg back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, slowly come back. Take two legs together and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, then follow me, and if you want you can send me some donate, and I make more videos and more good videos. So thank you so much. Bye bye.